going on, guys? Custom RC Mod here. Today I got a really special video for you guys comparing some footage from a GoPro and the DJI Mavic Pro. So, as you guys know, a lot of drones these days use GoPros as a solution to the camera issue, as a lot of drone manufacturers, especially ones that are just stepping into the toy grade world, want to actually not have to deal with all the camera equipment, and it also lowers the price of the drone too. So if you're just sport flying, maybe you don't need a camera at all. But anyway, so I wanted to test out if the GoPro's footage was better or the Mavic's footage was better. And of course, the Mavic's footage would be a lot better because it is a lot more stabilized and still with all this jello and of course the 3-axis stabilization. So ruling all that out, in the footage you're about to see, this is the GoPro Hero 3 Plus is on the right and the Mavic's on the left. And of course the Mavic stabilized, but rule out all the stabilization, and there's no color grading. I had to do a little bit for the GoPro, but other than that, there's none. I always do a little bit for the GoPro, and I'm just doing my normal stuff. So every single GoPro video that you see on my channel has the same amount of color grading that I'm not gonna differ at all. So anyway, what I did to mount it was I used a sticky mount, curved sticky mount, and a J-hook to the Hero 3 Plus. So yeah, you can see the props in the shot a little bit, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. So I found that the GoPro, of course, has a lot wider of an angle of the lens, so I feel like I'm so much closer when I'm flying FPV with the Mavic, but I'm actually pretty far away. So that kind of your depth of field is kind of off when you're looking through the FPV feed. But this just shows you, like, if I feel like I'm about to hit some power lines because I'm looking through with the Mavic, and then I look through it with the GoPro, it looks like the power lines are at least 20 feet away. So yeah, it's very interesting. Of course, there's the curved horizon with the GoPro, but both cameras are recording at 4K. This one's at 15 frames per second. This one is at 30 frames per second. They both look really good, and yeah, so let's go ahead, cut to some video. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed those clips, and as you can see there, it was in portrait mode. I was doing some split screen. I mean, I didn't record in portrait mode, but anyway, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thankfully the GoPro didn't fall off, but there was a lot of vibration. So basically the footage you just saw with the GoPro will be similar to what you're going to see with my Sentinel spy drone build if you've been following the channel. So basically I've been working, I wanted to do this just to see what kind of stuff I would get, especially when I take the Sentinel spy drone up. So we'll have to see what that is, but one little update I'm going to give you about that is that my parts are coming on Monday, which is 2 days from now. So hopefully you're going to see a huge video about the first test flight and installing the radio and stuff. And yeah, of course I'm getting another Sentinel spy drone as well that comes in that package. So hopefully that'll be really cool. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a fat thumbs up and comment down below which one you like better, the Mavic or the GoPro footage. And remember, don't count in the stabilization. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.